Imagine pulling up to a red light, and the car next to you thinks you're just another luxury sedan. Then the light turns green, you tap the throttle, and suddenly they realize this Cadillac is something very different. This is not just comfort, not just power, not just style. This is the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V, a car that blends American muscle with modern luxury in a way that surprises a lot of people, especially buyers in the USA and Asian markets. So if you think Cadillac is old school, stay with me for the next few minutes, because this car might completely change your mind. Let's start with what everyone really wants to know. Price. In the USA, the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V is expected to start around $65,000 and can go higher depending on options. In Japan, after import taxes and registration, you're looking at roughly 8.5 to 9 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, or Singapore, pricing varies a lot, but expected to land in the premium sports sedan range, usually higher than the US price due to duties, sometimes crossing the equivalent of $80,000. This puts it right in competition with performance sedans from Germany, and even some Japanese luxury brands. Now let's talk about what you get for that money. Under the hood, the CT5-V uses a powerful twin-turbo V6 that gives you strong acceleration without being crazy or hard to control. In simple terms, in city driving, the car feels smooth and relaxed. You don't need to push it hard. The throttle is calm, the steering is light enough, and the suspension absorbs bumps better than you might expect from a performance car. On the highway, this is where it really shines. Overtaking is effortless. You press the pedal, and the car just goes, no drama, no delay, which is perfect for US highways and long Asian expressways. Fuel economy is always important, especially for overseas buyers. This is not a hybrid or EV, so don't expect miracle numbers. In real-world driving, you can expect around 18 miles per gallon in the city and about 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Converted for Asian viewers, that's roughly 7.5 to 11 kilometers per liter depending on traffic and driving style. Compared to a hybrid, yes, fuel cost is higher. But compared to older V8 performance sedans, this is actually quite reasonable. And the benefit is you don't have to worry about battery replacement costs like with hybrids or EVs. Maintenance is another big question. Cadillac has improved a lot here. In the USA, maintenance costs are generally lower than German rivals. Parts are more affordable, and service intervals are straightforward. In Japan and ASEAN markets, maintenance can be higher due to imports, but the CT5-V still tends to be cheaper to maintain than a BMW M or Mercedes AMG. Parts availability is decent through official dealers, and many where items are shared with other GM models, which helps keep costs under control. Insurance costs sit in the middle of the luxury performance segment. In the USA, insurance is usually lower than high-powered V8 cars because the CT5-V is seen as a balanced performance sedan. In Asian markets, insurance depends heavily on country rules, but generally it's classified as a premium sports sedan, not an extreme super sedan, which helps keep premiums reasonable. Resale value is something many Asian buyers care about a lot. Traditionally, Cadillac did not hold value as well as Japanese brands. But things are changing. The CT5-V has a strong image, limited competition, and a loyal fan base. In the USA, resale is improving year by year. In Asian markets, resale depends on brand recognition, but performance Cadillacs are starting to attract enthusiasts who want something different from the usual German or Japanese options. Now let's compare it briefly with a Toyota or Honda competitor. Think about something like a Toyota Crown or a Honda Legend. Those cars focus more on comfort, fuel efficiency, and reliability. They may offer hybrid options with better fuel savings, and yes, long-term maintenance can be cheaper. But they don't give you this level of performance or driving excitement. The CT5-V is for buyers who want luxury and power together, not just a quiet ride. So why is this car smart for USA roads and traffic? Simple. American roads are wide, highways are long, and speed limits vary. The CT5-V feels stable at high speed, comfortable in traffic, and powerful when you need it. It's also not too low or too stiff, so daily driving is easy. For Asian buyers who drive on modern highways and urban roads, the balance between comfort and performance makes it surprisingly practical. At the end of the day, the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V is for someone who wants to stand out quietly. It's fast but not flashy, luxurious but not boring, and powerful without being difficult to live with. It may not be the cheapest, and it may not be the most fuel efficient, but it offers a unique mix that many cars in this price range simply don't. If you enjoyed this deep, honest review and want more high RPM car content made for USA and Asian buyers, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.